Okay, so for the next part, I'm going to attach in the order in which I attach these again is completely up to you, subjective, but um, I'm just picking the parts as I see it, how I see them. So I'm going to attach the link to the handle post here, and the link, you see this hole right here, all right? That goes here. So let's go to constraint. Let's use insert, um, and we want to make sure we click align. So it doesn't matter which one you click first. So I'll start with this one. I'll click this one here, and make sure you click. As you hover your mouse, you notice that anything circular is going to give you that axis of rotation, but we want it to be aligned with this outer ring here. Okay, so there we go. Right, so it snapped it in place. So now these are aligned. Make sure you click apply. We don't need to offset or anything. Okay, and because this is grounded, let me show you something. Move this away. All right, this is just aligned at this point here. Okay, this whole piece is grounded, so it's not going to move. However, this still has rotation here. Okay, so you know this can demonstrate the movement of you can demonstrate the movement of this part. Okay, so let's see the next. Let's see what are we going to add next. Okay, we're going to add the 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 link. Excuse me, the pivot box. So let's go back to constraint, insert, align, and so this time you see these holes here. That's where this long post goes. So I want this long post to be flush, and be careful because you want to make sure that if I go in the inside circle, then it's going to be flush with this inside part of the circle. We want it to be flush with the outside. So choose this outer ring. All right, let's see what happened. Click apply, and there you have it. All right. All right. Now one thing I noticed is that the part here, like the short post, excuse me, the long post, it looks like you look like it's gone here, and that's because they're the same material. Um, so in order to make it more visible, I would have to change this material to something slightly different. So let me get out of this, and here's how you can edit. Remember we created these individual parts here, um, but we can edit them even though we're in assembly mode. So I'll go over here to the browser, and what is that? The long post. What I'll do is under the long post, I will right click, and then I'm going to click edit. And so it opens up, basically it looks like the part file menu. Um, and so here I'm going to go to extrusion and go down to properties, and I'm going to change this feature, and I'm just going to go to, because I think everything else is in soft aluminum. So if I make this, let's say steel, it should give it a slightly different appearance. Okay. And then once I do that, I go up here and click return. Takes me back to the assembly, my assembly process here. And there you go. You can see now you can clearly see this long post, because this is, I think, soft aluminum and this is steel, so it has a slightly different um, color to it. Okay. And then in the next video, we'll go ahead and add the handle.